Josh Stevens, and I own the Tint World in Avon, Indiana. We are located at 8100 East US Highway 36 in Avon Station, just under the clock tower. At this location, we offer tint, PPF, and ceramic coating. We also offer anything in general with aftermarket as far as your vehicles goes, whether it's a bed liner, wheel and tire shine, and details as well. When a customer walks into a Tint World, I think they'd probably feel very comfortable. If you look around, it's a very clean, nice environment. We're very family oriented. If you're in the area, stop by and see us here at Tint World in Avon. Have a pop with me and ask for Josh.